Rhodes piano has recently been reborn in the form of Rhodes MK8, the physical one, but this one, the virtual V8 Pro, is actually its faithful emulation, and it's probably the best sounding Rhodes I ever heard. So we are listening to MIDI recordings played by Polish keyboardist Michał FOX Król, and for example I adjusted the dynamics using the MIDI Velocity plugin in Ableton Live. And here you can hear the envelope in the preamplifier section, which acts as an auto-wah by controlling the equalizer. So for each preset you can save a profile which includes separate tuning, tone and level for each key. However, you can adjust the profile in a separate tab or change it without changing the preset, like this. So this is pure Rhodes. 30,000 samples recorded at 96K make the new Rhodes sound warm, full and dynamic. And actually, using the settings here, you can make it sound like an older, slightly detuned model. So among presets created by different artists, I actually like those from Andrew Huang because he uses effects very, very creatively. So let's listen to just a few more examples here. If you're looking for pad sounds with autopan, you won't be disappointed. There are lots of presets like this. And of course, Rhodes sounds beautiful with phaser, especially if you bring the sounds of the mechanism a little bit to the foreground. And this is how it sounds heavily compressed. So let me summarize it for you. There are lots of pros. It's an excellent, very detailed sounding instrument. It's almost like an audiophile instrument. And it's very efficient. It puts very little strain on your CPU or RAM for that matter, unlike physical modeling. And there are also some cons. Even though I like most of the factory presets, I find those experimental ones not very usable. I think they went just a little bit too far with that. The graphical interface replicating the original is eye-catching, I agree, but controls are quite small, so you have to enlarge it for more detailed editing. And sometimes you have to tweak a little bit longer if you're after a certain sound, but there are lots of options, so that's good. But the most important thing, it sounds phenomenal. The Pro version costs around $270 right now, but the company also has a $100 cheaper version, which is called just V8, and is based around the same 60 gigabyte sample set. It's condensed in a lossless way to about 20, I guess, but without some effects and amplifier section. So if you like the instrument and if you like my presentation, please don't forget to click the affiliate link in the description, because that way, maybe after some time I'll get a small provision so I can use it against next videos. So cheers, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.